wonderful sound, my fingers. As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. The day I leave you, the days, all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. That's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful song. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassurance. Those thousand been story up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Do you still remember? And will you love me tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when